welcome to my channel, Into Girl Viana's Beauty. If you're new to this channel, that's a channel where we talk everything beauty related. From beauty, I mean makeup like this, as you can see. Yeah, makeup, lifestyle, hairstyle, fashion, and of course fitness. And today I'm going to be creating this look. If this sounds like something you're interested in, yeah, welcome to my makeup studio, and this is a continuation of the makeup look I did some time ago. I'll insert the link, and we did the eyes in that video. Right now we're going to move over to the face. I moisturize my face using the Mary Kay moisturizer, guys. This moisturizer is the bomb. Yeah, as you can see, that's a moisturizer I'm using. And before that, I applied the rose water. This is very good if you're having dry skin. It helps to protect your pores as well from the foundation, as in fact it acts as a shield between your skin and the foundation. Okay, so if you don't want to wrinkle fast, you'll get yourself this Mary Kay primer and the rose water. I'm using the MAC foundation. I'm not quite sure if I showed you guys that I'm using MAC foundation in the color and in the shade NW43, but I mixed it. I felt like it was a little bit dark for me, so I mixed it with the Mary Kay foundation bronze 4. You know, my best products so far are the Mary Kay products. And these lashes you're seeing me wearing, yeah, it's my brand. So if you need these lashes, contact me. Like, I don't yet have a brand on like that, or you can contact me for these amazing lashes. Yes, my details are in the description, by the way. Okay, I'll use MAC concealer as well to highlight my face. That I'll highlight my my eyes. Yeah, beneath my eyes, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and basically that's it. Using a damp beauty blender, I'll use the same beauty blender for the contour and the highlight. So don't be surprised when you see me using it for the dark concealer. So using a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend all of that. And when blending, just make sure that you're blending out the harsh lines. That's why when I approach the edges of the concealer, I kind of pull down my, like so. Yes, I kind of pull down the beauty blender to fit out the edge, the harsh lines. Okay, so I'll do that for the rest of the face, and we'll move forward to the contour. size brush, I'm gonna sweep that the excess powder away, making sure that I'm blending as much as possible. Once again, I want to fade out the lines between the contour and the highlighter to give it a seamless blend. So do this for the rest of your face. And if you want to, I didn't show, I can't remember if I showed how I'm setting the contour, but I'm just gonna sweep out the excess powder and then apply my contour, and I'll be in about the face look. So keep watching as we get to the end. If you watched right up to this level, please just remember to give me a thumbs up if you haven't given me a thumbs up yet, and just tell me something to know you watched right up to this level. Yeah. So the highlighter I'll be using today is my Glow Nude highlighter. You can get this from Amazon, from eBay, from wherever. The highlighter is really good. Comes in 4 shades. If you are fair or you are dark, you can use different shades. Then if you can also blend both shades, like you could see me doing. I like blending both shades because the other darker one is good for dark people. The lighter ones I just blend that in between. I'm not a huge fan of highlighter as well, so I usually go very mild with the highlighter. Okay, I do that. I just make sure that I'm blending it into my yeah, into the area where I apply the concealer, and then I go over that same highlighter underneath my brow bone to just highlight and make my brow bone pop. Then I use it on the cupid's bow. I hope you received that kiss. I use it on the cupid's bow to make my lipstick pop some more. Okay, now I'll be applying my blush. I think I used one of the eyeshadows I used on my eyes. I used it as my blush, and I'm using it very lightly as well because I don't want too much of that. I'm using this jumbo pencil. I got it off I don't know, but I got it off Amazon or so. I'll leave the descriptions in the I will leave the links in the description down below. I'm using that jumbo pencil to highlight and define my lips. I hardly go in for red, but I wanted something out of the ordinary in this particular look. So just take your time to define, especially around your cupid's bow. Just define that. Don't lose your natural lip, if I'm making sense. So after doing that, I'll go in with this I think pink, yeah, to place that in my inner lip. So for my inner lip, I'm using this nude color, yeah, because the red is already showed as it is. So I'm using this nude color to apply that just after the red color, and I'm blending that to blend with the red. And after that, I'll be using, I think I'll be using a lip gloss to make everything nice and sparkling. Would you have gone matte? It's still nice matte, but I think a lip gloss made it look. How do I look? These lips feel ridiculous. Like, I mean, very, very ridiculous. So what should we do? Should we go glossy or I change it? Let's see. Never be shy to experiment. If you have the time, you can always change and go for what you feel comfortable with. So yeah, I wasn't satisfied without lip, so I decided to go for something else. Let me know what you think about this one. Smack those lips for me. Just because I'm putting on a red sideways dress. That is why I wanted to go red. Red is never my lip thing. Yeah, but I'm trying things I've never tried before. I'm doing things I've never done before. So Should I go like this? Yeah, I'll definitely go like this. This is the final look, guys, and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.